In the vibrant little town of Sunflower Valley, three siblings, Mirabel, Jake, and their younger sister Lily, lived in a cozy yellow house with their parents. Every weekend, their parents would remind them to help with chores around the house. But the kids always found excuses to avoid them. One sunny Saturday morning, their dad called a family meeting. "Kids, chores aren't just about keeping the house clean," he began. "They teach you skills you'll need for life, like teamwork, responsibility, and even creativity. But chores are boring," Mirabel groaned. "And messy," Jake added. Lily nodded, clutching her teddy bear. "Can't the house just stay clean forever?" Their mom chuckled. "How about we make it fun? Let's form the Chore Stars Club. Every chore earns points, and the one with the most points at the end of the week gets a special reward." The kids' eyes lit up. "What kind of reward?" Jake asked eagerly. "That's for you to find out," their dad said with a wink. The challenge begins each child picked their first chore. Mirabel chose to organize the messy bookshelf. Jake decided to sweep the patio, and Lily, with a little help, opted to water the garden. Mirabel discovered that sorting books by color made the bookshelf look like a rainbow. "Wow! This actually looks amazing!" she exclaimed. She even found a book she'd forgotten about and started reading during breaks. Jake, armed with a broom, pretended he was a knight fighting off a dust dragon. "Take that, dust beast!" he shouted as he swept the patio clean. Lily giggled as she watered the flowers, making up a silly song about thirsty plants. "Drink up, little flowers, and grow your leafy towers." Teamwork makes the dream work. The next day, they faced a bigger challenge, cleaning the kitchen after breakfast. At first, it seemed overwhelming. Pancake batter on the counter, syrup drips on the floor, and dishes stacked high in the sink. "Let's do this together," Mirabel suggested. She wiped the counters while Jake loaded the dishwasher. Lily, standing on a stool, carefully placed forks and spoons in the drawer. "Teamwork really does make it faster," Jake said, high-fiving Mirabel. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye!